Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Russel again, and I'm back dito sa YouTube. And I'm sorry if I was not able to upload any videos from the past 2 weeks. I was busy. But for today's video, we'll be talking about how to promote your YouTube videos using Google Ads. So ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon is number 1 is how we can get the free 2,000 Google Ad credit na pwede natin gamitin to promote our videos and business. So promotion yan na pwede natin i-avail. I'll discuss the terms and condition on this video, and we will also talk about the step-by-step process on how we can create ad campaign to promote our YouTube videos. So before we start this video, if you're new here on my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button down below. And please also click the notification bell icon for you to be updated once we upload new videos. So to start with, just type in Google Ads on your Chrome browser. Then click on the first result that you will see. So ayan guys, as you can see, dito sa login page ni Google Ads, there is an option to start and get 2,000 free in ad credit. So ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na magkakaroon kayo ng libreng 2,000 worth of running your ads or campaigns to promote your videos. And pag-uusapan natin yan. So since na-avail ko na itong promotion na to, I'll just get it from my email and I'll discuss the terms and condition in the simplest possible way. So this was the email I received. So dun sa log-on page, you will put your email address, tas kukunin nyo yung code. So pagka-login nyo, may code na isa-send sa inyo through email si Google Ads. So you can click on redeem now, mararoute kayo dun sa page ni Google Ads. But you can also directly log into Google Ads page and then use this promotional code. So ito yung magiging promotion nyo. So ito yung terms and condition. Medyo marami siyang list na makikita kung makikita nyo sa end nyo. But to summarize the terms and condition, ang kailangan nyong gawin is mag-run ng credits at your own expense or mag-run ng ads at your own expense. That means you will need to pay for up to 2,000. Depende sa gusto nyong ads na i-run. Say for example, for a duration of 1 month, mag-run kayo ng ads amounting to 1,000 pesos. Maximum ads na kailangan nyong i-run is 2,000 para makuha yung credit. So say for example, 1,000 pesos, niran mo yung ads for 1 month. So after 1 month, you will need to pay that 1,000 pesos at your own expense. And then after 5 business days of paying, you will receive the same amount of Google Ads credit. Kung 1,000 yung nabayaran mo, 1,000 din yung marireceive mong Google Ad credit. So ganun siya. So yung nangyari sa akin, I was able to use 2,000 pesos worth of advertisements ng YouTube videos ko. So, pinromote ko yung YouTube videos ko for 2,000 pesos. Binayaran ko yung 2,000 pesos. And after 5 days, I was able to get additional 2,000 credit na nagamit ko sa mga next promotions ng videos ko. So, technically, ganun mag-work yung promotion nila. Not necessarily makukuha mo ng 2,000 pesos for free agad-agad. You will need to spend a specific amount then bago mo makuha yung mismong credit na galing kay Google Ads. So, kung magkano yung in-spend mo up to 2,000, yun din yung amount na makukuha mo as a form of credit. So once you're logged in with Google Ads page, ito yung magiging overview page na makikita nyo. And then, saan mo ba ilalagay yung promotion? So let's click on settings or tools and settings and then billing summary. And then from the left panel, you can choose promotions. So yan, as you can see, ito na yung na-run na promotion ko. So I was able to get the promotion already. And if you would like to add the promotion, just click on the plus sign, the blue circle. And then you can see there an option to run or to add the promotional code that you receive through email. So now guys, let's talk about how we can create Google Ad campaigns, or ito na yung mga tinatawag na campaigns for us to promote our YouTube videos through Google Ads. So discuss natin yung step-by-step procedure. So from the overview page, click lang natin yung campaigns. And then we can have an option for the plus sign again in a blue circle. Click nyo lang yan. And then click on new campaign. So yan, mararoute na kayo dito sa page kung saan magki-create na tayo ng ating ads for our videos. But before that, let me choose a specific video for my channel. So let me choose this video for transcription jobs for newbies. So ito yung gamitin kong i-promote. And then balik na tayo dun sa ating page. So ang kailangan yung i-select dito is yung product consideration. So click nyo lang yan. And then dun sa next part, click nyo yung video since we're gonna promote our YouTube videos. And on this part, just leave it as it is. So influence consideration. So wala tayong babaguhin dyan. Let's click on continue. So guys, in this part, if i-fill out na natin yung mga needed information for our promotion. So since I'm using the transcription jobs for newbies video, I'm gonna use the campaign name transcription jobs. For maximum CPV, don't change anything, so leave it as it is in this part. So on the next part, budget and dates. So eto na yung magiging budget mo for a specific video and how long would you like to run that video. Say for example, 500 pesos, and then let's run it for like 15 days, something like that. So yung next na makikita nyo dyan is yung networks. So make sure that you don't change anything in this part din kasi we're gonna promote our YouTube videos, so make sure na naka-check mark yung lahat ng yon. And then under ng languages, you can choose what specific language your video has. And then location as well. So you can select kung saang mga location ba yung gusto mong ma-reach nung ads mo. Saang mga bansa ba yung gusto mong ma-display yung ads mo through YouTube. So etong next part naman na may inventory type and all. So eto, wag nyo na tong baguhin kasi ito naka-standard naman. Same dito sa additional details. So make sure na wag nyo na rin baguhin kasi most of the time yan naman yung mga kailangan na information like yung pag-run ng ads, would you like to run it all day? Then proceed tayo dito sa ad group name. So lagay ko lang ulit transcription jobs. Then dito sa demographics, if you can see, so yan may mga selection. Just select your audience type. Depende dun sa content mo. Say for example, dito sa content ko, it's about jobs. So I'll choose people who are 18 and above. Then dito naman sa audience, you can choose any specific audience kung may target audience kayo, but for me, I'll leave it to any audience para mas malaki yung sakop nating audience. Then the next one is keywords. So kailangan din natin maglagay ng keywords to help us with impressions or getting more impressions for our ads. So itong keywords na to, it's like tags sa YouTube, so we can think of keywords that are related to our video na gusto nating i-promote. So once we're done with keywords, the next is topic. So we will choose a specific topic or category that our video is related to. So here on my video, let's choose jobs and education since it's a work from home job opportunity. For placement, just leave it as it is. And then for the CPV or cost per view, ito yung amount na willing ka to pay per view. So etong pay per view na to, usually nilalagay ko lang is 2 pesos. Pero it will not affect your budget kasi yung sinet mong budget, yan lang yung ma-charge sa'yo at the end of the promotion. So yan guys, we're almost done. The next part that we need to do is to enter the link of the video na ipopromote natin. So kunin ko lang tong link ng video ko na to. Let's copy it and then let's paste it here. So yan. And then kailangan nating i-select dyan yung video discovery. So yan, video discovery ad because we're gonna promote our YouTube videos. And then you can also select a specific thumbnail. I'll use the usual thumbnail I'm using on YouTube. So yan guys. And then we need to add headline. So what will be the title of your ads? Say for example here, transcription jobs for newbies. And then we also need to put description. So let's say earn money at home as a transcriptionist. So yan, may limit yung characters allowed. So let's use transcriptionist dun sa description part 2. So yan. And then right beside that, guys, if you will notice, you can see there yung magiging overview ng ads nyo. Ano ba yung magiging itsura niya? Yan. At yan ay through mobile at through desktop. Ano ba yung magiging itsura niya or nung ads na iraran natin? So if you think na nalagay nyo na lahat ng details na kailangan, and if you think na satisfied na kayo dun sa mga information and dito sa ads na ipopromote nyo for your YouTube videos, you can just click on create campaign. And then once you have clicked on that, your ads will be enabled on your Google Ads, but it's not yet approved. So may approved time pa yan for Google Ads. Kailangan pa nilang i-review yan to see if they can approve the ads. Usually it takes just a few minutes for an ad to be approved. So once it's approved, you can see dun sa overview nyo na may stats na siya at mag-start na siya mag-run. So promoting ads using Google Ads will help us gain more subscribers and of course, more viewers kasi nga pinopromote natin yung YouTube videos natin. So guys, yun lang yung gusto ko i-share sa inyo kung paano yung mga steps on how we can promote our YouTube videos and kung paano ba natin makuha yung 2,000 pesos free ad credit. So ulitin ko lang guys, yung sa ad credit, hindi mo siya agad makukuha ng free. Kailangan mo muna mag-run ng Google Ads up to 2,000, any amount, maximum is 2,000. And then kailangan mo siya bayaran at your own expense. And then once paid after a month, you will need to wait for 5 business days para mag-reflect yung credit dun sa account mo. So yung magiging amount ng credit is depending on the amount that you spend on running your ads. Say for example, 1,000 yung binayaran mo in running your ads, 1,000 lang din yung credit na makukuha mo. But you can get up to 2,000 if you will spend 2,000 of running your own ads. So ganun siya guys. And then once maging available yung credit dyan sa account nyo, you can start using it to promote your next videos. So ganun siya. So if you have questions guys, you can feel free to comment down below. I'll make sure to answer those questions. Pwede nyo rin ako i-PM sa aking social media accounts. And if bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification bell for you to be updated on our next videos. And kung sa tingin mo makakatulong sa itong video na to, please don't forget to like this video. And don't forget to share guys. So that will be all for today. Bye for now.